Hi everybody, welcome back to Geography. We are on day 9, only one more day after today. Today you're going to expand on what you've been working on this week, which is drawing maps. And if you are following directions, you are right here. You've clicked play to hear today's instructions. After this, you will go into the lesson, which today is drawing a neighborhood map. So if you click play to watch an example of drawing a neighborhood map right here, it will give you a short video of someone drawing a neighborhood map just to give you some ideas of where to start. Then you will open your Seesaw class to complete your map. So let me open that up and show you what that looks like for today. It should look very familiar based on this week's activities. We're back to Family Cartography Adventure, so you are the map maker, and you've listened, hopefully, to me on a map. You're welcome to listen to it or watch it again. And this week you're making 3 maps, and today is the final one. So again, you can use Seesaw or draw on paper and take pictures, so add response. So this activity is drawing a neighborhood map. So if you have time and can, go for a walk with your family in the neighborhood. Observe details. Where's your home located? What buildings, roads, and other features are around your neighborhood? What other types of businesses maybe are in your neighborhood? Is there a park? Is there a fountain? Are there only houses? Are they apartments? What is in your neighborhood? So if you cannot draw a map, just draw what you know is in your neighborhood. It's okay. Make sure you label your map and talk about what makes your neighborhood special. Make sure your map has a key that shows the symbols to demonstrate the things that are on your map. And if you can figure out the directions, we call them the cardinal directions. Those are the main 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. Put a compass or a compass rose on your map. So then use the label tool to complete the self-assessment when you are finished. Explain your map using the microphone and then add it to your journal. The self-assessment is a quick activity just to talk about how your map making has gone this week. If you have questions, please let your teacher know, but hopefully this is fun, fairly self-explanatory activity to get you thinking about your neighborhood. And then tomorrow you have one last map to make. You are going on a treasure hunt. If you have questions, let your teacher know. Thank you.